Make sure to check out our Patreon for uncut reactions, early uploads, and polls to help us pick our next reaction series, as well as some Patreon exclusives like Hunter x Hunter and Assassination Classroom. Thanks for the continued support.
Inwood Anime.
Mustache.
Joey Brow.
Cash.
Back with another My Hero Academia reaction. This time, episode
9. I found out there's a little episode right there.
Oh my god.
That's genius. Is that for...
Fucking life hack, dude.
No, that tells you how many episodes are in that season.
Oh, okay. Season 5, episode 9. Early Bird.
Last episode was the end of... that was match 4, right? Or was it 3?
That was conclusion match 3.
Okay. That was Ida, Todoroki...
Yeah.
Mudman, Tailman.
The disrespect.
Yeah. But the highlight was definitely Ida of the whole episode. Just
Ida.
killing it.
Killing it. Todoroki almost killed it. Had some freaking, Powerball.
Mm-hmm.
But then got mud-boyed, so...
He got mudded.
He got mudded real hard. So we're on to Bakugo's team, dude. And Bakugo's already, throwing them off, I think.
They're going in there hot.
So we're going to see what happens. Who's he up against? What's the other team looking like? They have anybody... Oh, they had the girl that the crazy guy hyped up. He was like, there's no way we're going to lose. And she looked pretty cool.
I think Straw Guy is in there.
Straw Guy.
I don't remember anyone.
We're going to see him.
The girl's in the purple suit, right?
Yeah, she looked cool.
Yeah, she looks sick.
All right, let's hop in. I'm sure they're going to give us the classic recap. Tape Man.
His voice.
They seem like they'd make a really good team together.
Yeah.
What was that her name?
Early Bird?
Really? That'd be me.
Yeah.
Fucking up at 6 a.m. on a Sunday.
I love the picture for Deku's team.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Damn. No, sit your ass down.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
I like that she's always on standby.
Yeah. Oh shit. Shit. Saw that.
Oh, man.
Is that her power? Oh.
Whoa.
Damn, that's wild.
Whoa, she could...
Oh.
Jeez, yeah, that's wild. Oh shit, you guys glue?
Wait, I thought he was straw.
Yeah, I was like, what?
That makes a lot more sense.
Ammo.
Oh, damn.
Who's this man?
Jack Mantis.
Jack Mantis. Damn, anywhere?
Oh, dude, he's wild.
Damn.
Oh.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh,
Dude,
damn.
he's like saving all of them.
Gonna blast this motherfucker. God damn.
Ouch.
Some growth.
Damn. Shut up.
4-0, no injuries. Let's
Love
go.
Oh god. I love that his friend is like hyping him up from the sidelines.
Yeah.
Too.
Shit.
Oh.
What's this guy got? Oh. Welder.
Well, da. Can't he just melt it?
Yeah.
Because if he welds it on
That's what
there,
I'm saying.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
there we go.
Oh, but it
dude.
broke his.
Did it break his
Come
shit?
on,
Yeah.
Sugar Man. Hell yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Damn. Some real teamwork going on here.
This makes me want to fucking cry.
I'm so proud of him. Oh,
Oh.
shit. That boy's gonna be deaf. Fuck, he's just getting
Damn.
blasted, dude. Yeah. Body slam his ass.
Oh no! Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, damn.
Damn.
Damn, a little twister.
That shit is sick.
Oh, my man.
Oh, nice. Are they about to end this shit in half of an episode? This is a big difference.
Oh, that's smart.
Oh,
Oh.
shit. Damn.
Oh.
Damn, dude.
Hell yeah.
Jesus Christ.
I love him. Vlad?
So Deku's episode's gonna go on for about 3 episodes. Shit.
No.
Give him a hug. Oh shit.
I'm not in your way. It's like I'm way over here. Damn. Hey man, baby steps.
Yeah. Good time. Some
Yeah.
deep words
Yeah.
there, bro.
I like him. I like that stance.
Spooky.
Damn.
Go right into it.
Oh my god, I just got what his outfit is. I thought he was wearing a diaper. It's a
Yeah.
bowl. It's a bowl of grapes.
I don't think I ever noticed that.
I thought it was like a diaper too. Oh man.
But they're always showing her ass, dude. In, like,
For
every
real.
shot.
For real. I am here.
Yeah, seems normal.
I love that he just has those sparks.
Yeah.
Like I wonder what percent he's keeping himself at just standing there, you know?
Yeah. What's his max that he can stay at now? Forget, like 20%?
25?
20, 25? Let's see it.
Oh yeah. Damn. His music is wild.
Are you ready for next week?
Yeah, not really.
Yeah. You're...
It's fucking rude.
But at least...
At least we got through that
Yeah.
match
Yeah.
like super quick.
Yeah.
Like
Under 5 minutes.
Under 5 minutes, dude. A very big change from the 2 episodes per match we've been getting. They finished in half the episode, shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was one of our older videos. They were like, "Oh, Bakugo's is probably going to be like 2," and somebody was like, "No, it's probably going to be 1 because it's so quick." And I was like, "Oh, cool!" And then it was like half an episode.
Yeah, domination, dude.
Total domination.
We
Dude,
haven't seen that all the whole time.
Bakugo's growth though. Character growth.
Slightly, right?
Dude.
Right? Even though he's denying it and saying it's still just his steps to becoming better than All Might, you know what I mean? But definitely, I mean, it's hitting him a little bit, I think.
I like can't
Yeah.
help but go back to how he was during the what is it? When he had to be like knocked out and chained up, but he still placed number 1.
It
Oh,
it
yeah.
wasn't like school tournament. It was something similar to that. Though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't remember which one it was, but like just comparing him then to how like ready he is
Mm-hmm.
for teamwork
Yeah.
is so cool.
And trusting them, you know, like actually relying on
Yeah.
his like team to help him out, not just do it on his own.
Because before he only trusted, was it Kirishima?
Basically, I
Kirishima
would say,
and
yeah.
Denki.
Freaking
Yeah.
Kirishima from the sidelines was like, bro, this is how he's always been. He just hasn't shown it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, he's hyping
Friendship.
him up. That shit's good. Yeah, honestly, there's been no other team that dominated that hard, dude. So Bakugo's definitely. I mean, Deku should do quick work of this, but I know for the drama's sake, we're
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
get a few episodes out of this.
I'm
But
kind of surprised that people are like, he's stronger than Bakugo. Like when the girl was like monologuing afterwards.
yeah, it's like, isn't he scary?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
Deku-
that's wild.
yeah, he got the reputation now, man. He's like been up against all these wild people. I mean, did everybody figure out that he was fighting Overhaul? Was that
I
ever
don't
like
know.
public knowledge of that?
I think it's just seen that he helped,
Yeah,
but like I don't know what's under wraps and what's not under
Oh
wraps.
yeah, I
You know?
didn't even think about that.
I feel like nobody really knows like how much shit Bakugo has handled. Because even with like, damn, I'm gonna get roasted for forgetting my dude's name again. The magician guy, Gentle. Even with like Gentle, like I don't think very many people found out about that.
Oh yeah,
The
that was
first
like the
stand,
whole
yeah.
point of that was that like nobody found out, so the festival wouldn't get canceled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like he's had all these battles, muscular. Like nobody really found out about this shit. So he just has a name around him, though.
Yeah.
We'll see. He is gonna be good though, man. Shit, All for One is or One for All is no joke.
I'm waiting.
Power.
I'm waiting for Bakugo to like kind of show a little bit more trust in Deku, because they had that night where All Might had to go out there and say, yeah,
You guys
This-
gotta calm down.
Yeah, break it
Yeah.
up.
bring it up, but
Tell him
also
everything.
like,
Yeah.
I gave my power to him, and how like somber it was, and how like quiet he was. Like it hurt.
Oh yeah.
It hurt for sure, but then like they've grown up together. They're childhood friends.
Yeah.
And,
much
like-
as he doesn't want to be.
I'm waiting for that. I think everyone's waiting for that.
Yeah. No.
I don't expect them to be like best friends, because Bakugo is always going to be Bakugo.
Yeah. I feel like it's always going to be that Endeavor All Might
Oh yeah.
struggle kind of between them.
Yeah, I hope that they have a better relationship.
Yeah.
More trust between them than Endeavor and All
At some
Might.
point. Yeah. Exactly.
Like you kind of hope that yes, Bakugo's dream is to be number one, but I feel like sometimes the fight to be number one ends up tearing people apart.
Yeah.
So maybe they finally get past that to be like, just being great heroes is enough.
He's enough,
You know what I
yeah.
mean?
You don't need to be number one. Maybe they break the whole ranking system
Yeah.
dude, at some point. Damn. All right. Good episode, though. Yeah. Very solid. Next week, we start the Deku. So 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, man. This has to be 3 episodes before we get to the half. So maybe 2 and then like a wrap-up episode
Oh, maybe.
leading into the half. So, all right. Thanks for dropping by. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below. Hit that notification bell. The Void Anime.
Mustache.
Joey Bro.
Cash.
Peace.